In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share and backup photos with OneDrive. 5 minutes. We'll set up automatic photo backup on your PC and then share your favorite shots straight from OneDrive on the web, all in a quick, clear flow. Start by opening OneDrive from the taskbar. Look for the small cloud icon near your clock. If you don't see it, click the arrow to show hidden icons, or search for OneDrive from the Start menu. Click the cloud to open the OneDrive menu, then choose Settings. In the Settings window, switch to the Sync and Backup tab so you can control what OneDrive protects for you. Next, select Manage Backup. Here, you'll see options related to your folders and photos. Enable backup of photos so new pictures from your Pictures folder and device imports automatically upload to OneDrive. This keeps your memories protected in the cloud and available across your devices. Give it a moment to start syncing and keep your computer online so the initial upload can complete. If you have a lot of images, this may take some time, and that's completely normal. Now let's share from the web. Open your OneDrive online account in a browser and sign in. Once you're in, click Photos in the left navigation. This view helps you browse by date, album, or source, making it easy to locate what you want to send. Select the photos you want to share by clicking their check marks. You can pick a single image or multiple at once, then click Share. In the sharing panel, enter the names or email addresses of the people you want to receive the photos. This sends them a secure link so they can view the images without you having to attach large files to a message. Add a note if you'd like to give context, such as where the photos were taken or what the album is about. Before sending, click where it says Can View to confirm the permission. View only is ideal if you don't want recipients to change anything. If you need editing, you can adjust it here, but for most cases, View is the safest choice. When everything looks right, click Send. Your recipients will get a link and can enjoy the photos immediately. That's it. You've enabled photo backup to keep your images safe and shared them with the right people in just a few clicks. Remember to keep an eye on your OneDrive storage and stay signed in so backups continue seamlessly. Thanks for watching and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with automatic backup and simple sharing.